Hey everyone, welcome to Coding Simplified, and now we'll see that how we can use the switch statement in JavaScript. So switch statement is basically a replacement of the if else. And we use it whenever we have so many if else conditions, right? So let's say we have one variable, let language equal to JavaScript, and let's see if you want to check that if language is Java, then print the Java. If language is JavaScript, then print the JavaScript. If language is C++, then print this, else print other thing, right? So how we can do in if? So we can first of all check that if language equals to Java, then print this. If language equal to JavaScript, then print this. Else if language equal to C++, then print this. Else print other language, right? So basically there are so many if else conditions. So whenever there are more than, you can say, 2 or 3 if else and conditions, then we can use switch, right? So in switch, what we do, we basically put a variable here and we check that what is your case. So we write all the cases. So like here, what can be our all cases? We can have like Java, our language can be Java, JavaScript, C++, or any other language, right? So what it means it checks that if your language is Java, then print this is Java. If your language is JavaScript, then print this is JavaScript, right? So whatever your case will be, it will print, it will execute these statements, right? So so this is how it will work. So now in our case, what is the case? Our language is JavaScript, so it will directly go here and it will print this is JavaScript. So you can see here, like in our console, it is printing this is JavaScript. And it's not that you can write only single thing. In fact, you can have multiple statements here. So let's say if I want to write something like this, like another statement, let's say, and you save it, so you can see here that it has printed both the things, right? So in fact, we can have any arithmetic operations and whatever you want, right? And so this is the thing. Now there is another important thing, that it is always necessary to have the break statement here. Like if you don't put break statements, so what would happen? It would again print the subsequent statements. So you save it, and now you can see here that it has printed this is JavaScript, another statement, and then it has printed this is C++ as well. And because here it found out break, so it break out. But let's say even in fact, let's say if you don't have this break statement as well, so now what would happen? It would print all from starting till the end. So it is very important that you always put break statement whenever you are using switch case, right? And again, there is again important point. So what happens, let's say if your language is not any of the cases, then it will go in default case, right? So let's say if my language is C++, so in this case what will happen? It will go in C++. Now let's say if my language is only C, so if you see here that there is no C language, so in this case what will happen? This will print other language. So this happens like same what we do in if. It will check that your language is C, no, here also no, here no, so it will go in default and it will print other language, right? And again, guys, because default is the last statement, so again even if you don't put break here, it would work fine, right? Because this is last statement, and put your default statement always at last, right? So that's it guys about switch statement. That's how we have shown how we can use in JavaScript. And if you have any doubt regarding it, please write in the comment section and I will try to explain that. So thanks guys, and if you have liked the video, please like it and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.